Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing a few really short video clips on beauty hacks and things that you can do at home. Obviously because all the salons are closed and you can't get into, do your general sort of things like your eyebrows, your upper lip waxing, those sort of things, maintaining your nails. So I'm going to do a few little clips of these in my COVID-19 at home beauty hacks playlist. Today I'm just going to show you how to maintain your eyebrows at home. And I know a lot of people are usually scared to touch their eyebrows because you can mess up the shape and all sorts, but I'm just going to show you a really easy way to just keep it tidy enough to get you through these next few weeks, so that when you do go and visit your brow lady, you can, they can reshape it for you and you wouldn't have changed anything too close to your natural sort of shape. So for this, what you will need is a sort of a really bright sort of pencil. If you have a little mascara spoolie, that will help to just tame those eyebrows, and most importantly you will need your trusty tweezers. I also have a little alcohol wipe, so I'm just going to use that to sterilize my tweezer, but you can also dip it in a little bit of hot boiling water or a little bit of Dettol, a bit of disinfectant, and that should clean your tweezers so they're nice and sterile for us to work with. So I'm just going to give that a quick wipe. So what you want to do with your pencil is create a sort of midline going all the way down. Right, so that's just in between the nose. Next, you want to create a line going across like this. Okay. If you're a little bit more frightened, I would always say leave a little bit extra thickness here. If you know you're quite careful with your tweezing, you can always go a little bit thinner. So on this side, I'm going to go a little bit more tighter in. Perfect. So this thickness here, here should all be equal. This side here I've gone slightly thinner, so again it should all be equal. Next, you want to just drag that all the way down, drag that all the way down, stop there. Same here, just drag and just drag. Okay, so anywhere that you have the pink outline you do not want to touch, and here is where I just kind of use my mascara, want to flick all of those ones upwards, and then using my tweezer I'm just going to go ahead and clean all these little ones underneath. And on top. And you carry on doing those until you have your brows nice and tidy and maintained for you to come in and visit us at the salon.